Hello everyone, this is the start of week 8 video. Reminder that we will have 2 chapters that you'll be doing this week. First of all though, I want to tell you great job last week. We have all students in A and B range on your quizzes with an average score of about 8, almost 9. Also the average score for the class is actually 87.8, so you're still keeping a good high area. Everybody's got a C or above at this point. So let's go ahead and get started. After this week, we only have 4 chapters left. This week is a tough one, though, with you all doing 2 chapters. We're going to do Chapter 8 on communication disorders and also Chapter 10 on blindness and low vision. We'll ask that you go ahead and send me an update on what you're doing on your differentiated instruction collection assignment. Just send me an email or share it with me so I can view it. You'll need to end up getting it shared to me anyway in the next few weeks, so please make sure and just go ahead and share it. But if you want to email me, you can. Your observation report is also due in July. I believe the 15th is the date. Yeah. That should be getting kind of finished up there this week. Last week's items. Great job on your posts and quizzes for Chapter 7. As of Sunday, as I'm doing this, like I say, most of you have a 9. I think there's a couple 8s in there, so great job. This week you're going to have 2 quizzes and 2 discussion boards. I really do think you'll end up liking a discussion board on Chapter 10. Just be careful. You'll see when you get into it while I'm saying that. Chapter 8's discussion board, you're going to tell me how your lesson plan is going. The lesson plan is due the end of the week by Sunday night. You're going to go in and tell me what topic or grade level you selected, what kind of student disabilities you chose for an accommodation, what kind of accommodations that you selected for the student. Don't post though until you submitted an assignment. So this is the one time that if you want to hold off on Chapter 8's discussion board and get on Chapter 10, that's fine. But then go ahead and get that lesson plan on differentiated instruction completed so you can come back and give everybody an idea of what you did and what you learned through that process. Remember to follow the rubric for all of your discussion board comments. Assignments. I wanted to remind you that the DI lesson plan is due this week. You have 6 items to add to your DI collection, so don't forget to do this as you're sitting watching the fireworks. Well, not really. I don't really anticipate you getting on Pinterest while you're watching fireworks. But anyway, it's really that easy. Let's see. If you do need assistance with anything this week, go ahead and definitely give me an email. I'm actually still working this week, so I'm on campus. So just email me and I'll try to get back to you pretty quickly. Once you get done with your DI collection lesson plan, now on the lesson plan, make sure and follow the rubric. Many of those items the only part that you need to work on is what you need to add. Leave the different sections or headings, especially the one with points there. It helps me as I go through, make sure that I give you applicable points, but sometimes students get on and they start deleting things, and before you know it, they've deleted what you're supposed to have. And that's what that lesson, that rubric and that document is for, is to help you make sure and put down what you need. So after you get done with that, then you can go back to do Chapter 8's discussion board. And again, I know normally I say, try to get discussion board by Wednesday night, but maybe you start on Chapter 10 this week and get it read and do Chapter 10's discussion board on Wednesday night and Thursday morning, and then start on Chapter 8 on Thursday, and that way you can go ahead and get that done. And then on Sunday, all you have to do is finish up your DI lesson plan and then do the sorry about the background noise. My wife and daughter are working on a dresser at the moment, and I'm getting out of work by doing my video, so thank you all. So anyway, go ahead and get that taken care of. Then you can start doing a little bit more work on your observation plan and get it done. I was still concerned. I think there's still a couple students that have not emailed me who they observed, their emails, their room numbers, and all that. So, or their buildings, and all that. So try to make sure that if you don't have that done, you get back with me. And if you're having trouble, definitely let me know at this point in the ball game. The following week, week 9, you're going to be looking at Chapter 11 and physical disabilities with health impairments. Purposely only placed one assignment this week due to the observation report being due, and wanted to make sure you had some extra time to get this completed. So make sure you're doing what you need to do and how they need to be uploaded. So you'll just have the quiz and discussion boards. I guess they're actually just one chapter, not one assignment, but one chapter this week, and I think it'll be a good one for you. Again, I want to tell you how proud I am at this point. Many of you are getting things done on time. You're getting them in, and you're doing it well. So keep up the good work. If you have questions, make sure and ask me. It's really going to be tough for me to answer any questions next weekend. I will actually be on vacation. I'm actually going to work the first couple days of vacation on some things, and then going to head down to the lake for Wednesday through Saturday. So most of my postings will be done in the morning, and then I'm going to take the time off in the afternoon. So best to ask questions between now and Tuesday night, and then for about 3 or 4 days it'll be in the morning that I get back to you. So have a great week. Stay safe with the fireworks. Other than that, I will let you go. This is a pretty short one here, about 6 or 7 minutes. But at this point, it's just a matter of getting your discussion board. Just a reminder today, this week is a 2-chapter week, so you've got 8 and 10 that you need to do. Again, I'm suggesting do 10 first, and then end with 8, and that way you can do your discussion board at the end and still be fine on that and not have to worry about it. So anyway, have a great week, and I'll talk to you later.